Throttle cut off. Verify AS3 F-stage settings and verify all control surfaces are correct. Gear up. 25%. 50%.
That's cool.
25%. 50%. Gear down.
Oh, wow.
50%.
Yeah. Don't go up.
And if you go in the grass, I'll go get it.
Let's not and say we did.
1 minute.
Okay.
25%. 0.
It's a little hard, but I'll take that.
That's a little hard, but it's okay. That's good.
Gear up. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes.
I like that above the sun.
50%.
Yeah, you need that.
That's great.
50%.
I was smoking that turkey.
G-limit disengaged.
See everybody next time.
25 for 50%. Time remaining 1 minute. 50%. 50%. 25, 9, 8, 7, 25%, 6, 5, 25, 3, 0. Reverse forward. 50%. Gear up. 50%. 50%. G-limit disengaged.
Okay, I hear it pulsing. So something with the wiring. It's not the battery. You hear it?
Okay. We'll see you
Speed
later.
brakes activated.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
All right, well, I'll probably be out after
25%. 0. Gear up. 50%. G-limit disengaged. Speed brakes activated. 25%.
Where have you been, Narcotic? You out running?
0.